Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll be making the London Aquatic Centre. Firstly, we will import our plan, section, and elevational drawings. This will help us set the reference for scale. And for the overall shape of the building. We'll place our section. Now to get the scale right, we select the image, type in scale. We connect these. See, we can now scale the image using the scale bar. So this is 50 meters long. I have my document set up in millimeters. This will be different depending on your document setup. So 50 meters is 50,000 millimeters. So you type that in the top. And now we can double check by using distance. And we'll see that our scale bar is approximately correct. We will then add the sections and plans. We will then need to adjust the plan so it is the same scale as the section, using the same method. So you can see both of the scales are the same size. We will then move our top view to the coordinates of 0, 0, 0. So we need to align our drawings now. To make sure you have aligned your building properly, you can use the line tool to create some references. We do that by simply making a line using Shift-Tab to create a straight line. Then we can extrude our curve. And you'll see that the section matches the plan. And you can do the same thing with the elevation of the front. We will now begin modeling using Sub D. We go to our Sub D tools at the top. We see we have our top view here. We want to begin drawing on this face. So we have our top view here. So if it is set up in this way, looking from this direction will be the front, and that will be left, right, and back. So we'll set our view to front. Now we are looking this way towards our building. We'll go to Sub D plane. Make sure the X and Y count is set to 1. Set our view to shaded. We'll go ahead and set a new layer for this. So we're able to lock the layer where the plans and sections are on and only use the Sub D. We'll begin by using Shift Control and highlight this section. And using our gumball, we will extrude. We will continue this process to get the overall shape of the building. So we want to follow along this bottom line, roughly. and we're able to change the size and scale of this last piece. We can then use Shift and Control to adjust the curve so it matches the bottom. We'll then do the same for the top, so that our curve follows along this top line. You can tilt these lines as well. We can switch between the flat and the curved view by pressing Tab, and this will give us a more accurate reading on where the lines and curves are. We can also switch to ghosted view to give us a better idea of this. So you can see sub D is using the points to calculate the curve of the building. And there we have our basic shape.